I am S.M. Aslamuddin Ahmed, lecturer of English, Shadampur High School and College. So today we will discuss about the tag question. Okay, so how we can use or we can find out. Tell me which one is the right answer for the tag question.
A number.
A number. Okay. B number is wrong. But why? Okay. So when you can see that don't disturb me. So here there is no let's. If we can see that let's, so let's meaning let us. So if there is us, that is us, we. Okay, so positive nominative case, next one is objective case, and next one is our possessive case. So nominative, objective and possessive case. But here we can see that shall, that is shall we. So there is no let's. For this reason it is not correct. The correct answer is that will you. Okay, so thank you. We can find out. Okay, let's another example we can see. Okay, Mamun, tell me which one is the right answer. The tag question. I am Rana, a boy of class 12. This one, and another sentence is that amn't I, aren't I. Which one is the right sentence? Tell me. So amn't I or aren't I? Which one is the right?
A.
Number A.
B.
Okay, you are saying that B. So Rafi is saying that aren't I, and Mamun is saying that amn't I. So amn't I, it is not the right answer. But why? Why it is taking that aren't I? In our another class I have told that when I am saying that I am talking. So generally I am talking with you. For this reason you is here omitted. Okay. So this is the one kind of style of the spoken language. So generally I am saying that I am this person, I am that person. So in this way I am doing this thing or that thing. Okay. So when we are explaining ourselves, then we are talking with other person. The person is that you. So you is here indicating. So here in this sentence that I am Rana, a boy of class 12. So I am saying to you. So you is here indicating. For this reason what happened? The tag question is taking. This one is that are. So you is related with the are. So for this reason actually, so taking the are. Okay. So Rafi, tell me that which one is the right answer. Okay, first one is that everybody likes him. Don't they? Doesn't he? Which one is the right answer?
Do they?
Do they? Thank you. So here there is no do they. Only don't they or doesn't they? Doesn't he? Which one is right?
Don't they? Don't they?
Don't they? So don't they, where is do? Yes, this one is the right answer. But why? Everybody is third person singular number and it is taking the s or yes, the present form of the verb, and next one is yes or is sometimes we can see, and next one object is him. But we are saying that this one is right. But why? Because we are discussing previous times that 1 person, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 person. Okay, I am saying that everybody is present there. Everybody is presented there, or we can say that everybody is presenting or everybody is present. Okay, so here what happened? So particularly 1, 2, 3. So in this way every person is there, but I am saying that especially. So for this reason we are using this 1, 1, 1 and this way. So we can say that these are all peoples. Against this word we can use all. So all people are there. For this reason when we are going to use another pronoun we can use they. So they represents everybody. So in this way we can say that this one is indicating us the pronoun. So if we can use this pronoun, we must need the auxiliary verb. So does this verb, this pronoun does not take, this pronoun does not take the auxiliary verb does. Okay, So this pronoun does not take does. Okay, so this does not is not taken by this pronoun them. So here we can use only they, do. So do, this auxiliary verb is similar to this pronoun. For example, they do not go there. He does not go there. She does not write. She doesn't swim. So in this way we can use, for example, I am, you are, they are. So in this way we are using in the English sentence. So in this case, so everybody, this is the singular, but it is a particularly one. Okay, so one student, another student. So in a classroom they are representing this everybody. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 there are many students, but this is indicating that all students, particularly one. Okay, for example, one marker, one watch, one hand, one board. So every items are there. So in this way, so we are indicating, we are showing, we are saying about the all members of the student. So especially we are highlighting. Okay, so this is the cause to use here don't and they. Okay, so if the against pronoun is here, so we can use they. For example, somebody, also same, somebody, or you can say anybody or anyone or everyone, or you can say only one. If we can say these types of pronoun, we can use the another pronoun is they. So in this way we can say that if we have seen this pronoun, okay, we can use another pronoun they. Clear?